Welcome to another week in my hair. It's day 1 and we're starting off with our wash and condition, and for this wash day I am going to be using the hydrating shampoo and conditioner from CECRED. I'm just going to make sure my hair is completely saturated in that water before going in with the shampoo, and a little goes a long way. I'm gonna make sure I focus mostly on my scalp, making sure I'm just using my fingertips to really scrub my scalp and make sure my scalp is clean. And I did go in with a second wash that you don't see, but I did. And then I'm also gonna go in with that conditioner, cover my hair for like 5 to 10 minutes, making sure the conditioner really gets absorbed by my hair. And as you can tell, my curls actually look pretty hydrated. Then I will rinse the conditioner out. Make sure you get all the conditioner out. I did not get all my conditioner out, so I had to actually get it off in the shower. But make sure your hair is clean before going in with your styling products or any additional styling, because that is what tends to cause product buildup and residue. Okay, so my hair is cleaned. So now I'm going to moisturize and then style it. Okay, so for my style today, I'm doing a wash and go, my style for the week. And of course, I'm starting off with my leave-in conditioner. So right here we have the Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk leave-in conditioner, and I'm following that with a cream-based leave-in from As I Am. That is the Jamaican black castor oil smoothie, and I make sure like my hair is really saturated with the conditioner without really going overboard. And then I will detangle with a wide tooth comb, and this really is the key. Detangling does make your hair look frizzy and remove any definition that you have, but it does help in getting your curls as defined as possible. Then I will follow up with the Big Popper defining gel from the doux, and that is my only styling product I will use. Right here I'm going section by section to define my hair. This method is definitely time consuming, but if you just want to apply your gel and go, that's up to you. I wanted this style to last me the week, so going in with the finger coils, it gave me that defined look, which means that over time my hair will get frizzy at a slower rate and it will preserve the style. So this is why I did it that way. But generally, like, I take like 20 minutes just roughly defining, but I really wanted it to be super defined, like I said. So this took me about an hour and 15 minutes, and it's not bad because throughout the week all I had to do was get up and go, and I didn't have to go into rehydrate, re-moisturize, add more gel, and do this process, a simplified version of this process all over again. So I'm going section by section, and I'm adding the gel section by section as well, and raking my fingers through my hair, making sure every single strand is coated, and doing a little bit of finger detangling as well. And then I'm just randomly pulling out pieces of hair and just twirling it around my finger to get it nice and curly, and I will do that for my entire head. And once I'm done, I'm gonna go in with that same gel and do my edges. You don't have to, but I do because I just like the way that looks, honestly. So this is the final look for my wash and go. I always say this about my hair, but I really like how it came out. Honestly, my thoughts on the CECRED shampoo and the conditioner is it's really good. I've been using the BioSilk Therapy shampoo and conditioner, and the conditioner is pretty hydrating, which I love, but the shampoo itself really strips my hair, and I feel like that kind of encourages shedding and breakage because I didn't experience as much with the CECRED. Granted, I did detangle my hair and rebraid my hair during the week, so that could probably be why I didn't experience as much shedding, because typically I wash and detangle once a week and I just leave my hair alone. But I don't know, I'm just gonna have to keep using it to see just how much it, you know, affects my hair, if it changes anything in terms of retention and moisture, you know what I mean? So it's definitely something that I'm gonna continue using. So my next wash days will be CECRED wash days. It is what it is. As far as my thoughts on the CECRED shampoo and conditioner, 10 out of 10. I really loved it. My hair wasn't stripped after using the shampoo, so it did feel like it retained its natural moisture, if that makes sense. And also with the conditioner, it just melts into my hair. Like, it feels like velvet butter on application. That's the best way I can describe it. And I really love when products feel that way, because it just says to me that it's bonding with my hair on a molecular level. I feel like it's, you know, my hair is receiving whatever it is, and so I really like that. It's definitely gonna be one of my staples, I would say, because that's really what all this is about for me. It's like learning what products work with my hair and what products I need to use for what, and basically what's gonna continue to be my staple product. I'm not really interested, honestly, in trying or experimenting with too many things. I'm just looking for my staple hair products, basically. So I'm on a hunt, okay? I'm on a hunt for the products that works the best with my hair. And I also, like, something that really clicked to me over the past couple weeks is that I want to make sure the products that I'm also using is scientifically tested in some way, and it's proven to give me the results that it's saying that it's going to give me, you know what I mean? So I'm definitely gravitating towards more legit products, if that makes sense. So very excited to include CECRED in my routine, because it does what it says it does. This is my hair a full 24 hours later. I did not do anything to it today. I think this is the true definition of the wash and go. It comes in after the styling process, where you can just wake up and go with your hair because it's already styled, right? I have not been using oil in my hair because I suspect the oil has been breaking me out, okay? And so I realized not using it, my skin is kind of clearing up a little bit. I have less, you know, breakouts and stuff, which is great. So I wanted to get something that would give me like the shine and the benefits of an oil. So I went out and I got this rejuvenating scalp serum from Odele or Odele. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And it says it supports hair density and a balanced scalp. And we know if our scalp is not clean, if we don't have a healthy scalp, then we cannot grow healthy hair, right? So I got that, and it's made with rosemary, vitamin E, and 100% natural fragrance. And I know for a fact that my hair absolutely loves vitamin E. So for application, it says you can apply on dry or damp hair, 1 to 2 drops to each section, and massage it into your scalp. Do not rinse. And it's not really a hair oil, it is a hair serum. I think this is what I actually need, something really just lightweight, and it won't leave any residue or have any real reaction to the products that I currently have because of how lightweight it is. This is how I'm protecting my hair before sleep. This is what I did last night, this is what I'm doing tonight, and this is most likely what I'm gonna do for the rest of the week if I want to maintain the hairstyle. I know some of you are gonna ask, how do I go to sleep? How do I protect it? This is how I protect it. Alright, so this is the following morning and this is what my hair looks like freshly and the bonnet. You can see it's all like smushed to my head, but I'm just gonna fluff it out like so using my fingers. And I do this around my whole head. It literally takes me a minute. So once I'm done like just fluffing it out and shaping it, this is where I go into doing my edges. Someone asked me where I got this gel. I got this from my local beauty supply store. So this is what day 3 of my hair looks like with little to no manipulation, and I am really liking it. The curls are pretty soft, to be honest. They're nice and bouncy. There's no like hard cast or anything, and I really think the serum that I applied last night also helped my hair to feel as soft as it's feeling. And yeah, the gel doesn't dry down with a hard cast at all. Like I said, I moisturized my hair before I actually styled it, so I think that is an added benefit as well. And yeah, this is day 3 hair. So this is day 6 and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair feels super soft. It's so hydrated. It's very light too. There's no product buildup or product residue. My scalp is like really clean. I'm actually amazed. So for the past 2-3 weeks, I haven't been using oil on my hair, and I have stopped breaking out around my hairline as much as I was when I was using the oil. So that to me says something. And you guys saw on wash day that I added the CECRED hydrating shampoo and conditioner, and I suspect this is what gave my hair this foundation for me to have the best hair week ever, because my hair routine starts with my cleansing. It starts with my wash days, and these products did such a great job with retaining the natural moisture in my hair that anything else was just like an added benefit. And I really am happy with my hair this week, but also my current lineup of products. Like I'm just, anyways, let's get one last look of the hair. This is what it's looking like, and we have come to the end of the video. So as always, I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.